Hello, friends. I am my brother from a different mother, Mr. Lukman Tambuwal, the owner of Tambuwal Math Class, decided to solve this particular problem in different ways to make the world understand that a particular mathematics problem can have a variety of solutions, yet we are arriving at the same answer. So I am Esomnof Chidebube, the owner of Esomnof Online Math Class. Our online classes are available in YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc. So you can search for Esomnof Online Math Class as well as Tambuwal Math Class in any social media you will see us. Okay, so look at this problem in ratios, and it says that if Lukman and Esomnof are given 1 million naira, wow, I wish it's for real, to share in the ratio of 4:6. If Lukman's share is 400,000 naira, find Esomnof's share. By me looking at the ratio, the first person is Lukman, while the second person is Esomnof. So Lukman is having ratio 4, while Esomnof is having 6. Therefore, this will tell you that Esomnof's share is greater since my ratio is 6, while Lukman's share is 4. Now, the commonest way of solving ratio problems is just to find total ratios. The total ratios will give us 4 plus 6, which is equivalent to 10. Therefore, you are looking for Esomnof's share. You don't even need the Lukman's share to get Esomnof's share, since you are told the total amount of money they are to share. So Esomnof came second. Esomnof will have ratio 6. So it shall be 6 all over total ratio of 10, then multiply by 1 million naira they are to share. 1 million naira. So 0 will cancel 0, remaining 6 times 100,000. And of course, when you times 100,000 by 6, it shall give you 600,000 naira. You can now see that Esomnof's share is 600,000 naira. If you don't like this means, there is yet another way through which you will solve this particular problem, yet you are arriving at the same answer. Now, the ratio is 4:6. Which means Lukman is to L, then Esomnof is to E. If this, it implies that to every 4 Lukman receives, Esomnof will receive 6, which can be reduced to 2:3. That is dividing both of them by 2. Now, to every 2 Lukman receives, Esomnof will receive 3. If I like, I can break down again by dividing both of them by 2. So if Lukman receives 1, Esomnof will receive 1.5. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Now, Lukman received 400,000. This 1 is equivalent to 400,000. Therefore, Esomnof will receive the same 1.5 multiplied by the same 400,000. So let's multiply 400,000 times 1.5. Don't waste your time multiplying 1.5 by 400,000. There is a way of doing it. 1 means getting 400,000. 0.5 is half. So add half of 400,000 to 400,000. Half of 400,000 is 200,000. So you just add 200,000 to 400,000. This will automatically yield 600,000 naira. Now I want you to watch and see a different way through which my friend Tambuwal will solve this, and we'll be arriving at the same answer. Thank you and God bless you. Tambuwal, over to you.
My name is Lukman Hussaini, the founder of Tambuwal Math Class. Tambuwal Math Class is an online mathematics class available on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. So here is a suggested question from my brother from different mother in person of Esomnof Chidebube. He is also an online mathematics teacher at Esomnof Online Maths, available on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You can search for the name. The purpose of this tutorial is to prove to the whole world that mathematics is the most simplest subject, because it gives us that privilege to use different methodologies for the same problem. So here is the question. It's a ratio on their shared, you can see. If Lukman and Esomnof are given 1 million naira to share, wow, this is from the question wall. In the ratio 4:6, definitely Esomnof's share must be higher than mine. But the question said If Lukman's share is 400,000, we're asked to find Isom Nofus share. So the way I will solve this question will be entirely different from how Mr. Isom Nofus solved the same problem. So in case of objective question, look at how you will solve this question. This is 1 million. Already my share is given as 400,000. Please, in case of objective question, do not even consider your ratio. If you remove 400,000 out of 1 million, what is left? It's just 600,000. So in case of objective questions, you say Isom Nofus share is 600,000. Still, if you want to show a little bit working, you can do it this way. You know, ratios can also be represented in fractional form. So this can be represented as 4/6. In equivalent fraction, 4 is already represented by 400,000, so we can write 400,000 here. You know, in equivalent fraction, whatever number you use in multiplying the numerator will be exactly the same number you will use in multiplying the denominator. So what number must we multiply 4 with to obtain 400,000? That number must be 100,000. So we are going to use the same number to multiply 6. 6 times 100,000 is 600,000. Again, using equivalent fraction, we are able to obtain 600,000, which is the share of Isom Nofus. So finally, we say Isom Nofus share is 600,000. So in case of objective question, please use this method. But if it is a theory question, please admit to Isom Nofus method of solving the same problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more exciting videos.